Hi, ladies. I am uh, requesting your assistance with the tediousness of getting these lectures to work in these classes. I've already put made Sun Min's lectures work, and Janine, I have one of your classes done, which is this one here, the combined section. I'll start working on 15 momentarily. But I just wanted to ask you guys if you could help me out with changing the titles of each of these lectures because they switched to the HTML code, or whatever the file name was, which I will show you in just a second. So in any case, so you get to this page in Blackboard Learn, go to well, I'm already there, duh. Go to courses. We'll just look at Sun Min's real quick. Click on the class. As I mentioned, what the problem was these files were not open for the students to see, but the instructors could see them. So that's why when Janine couldn't see them as a student and I could, I was a bit confused. Anyway, so I'll change these introduction ones, but I wanted to show you the process here. So I got to the lecture, the introduction. Anywhere you see this .html is one of these lectures that I changed. So what you need to do is you click on the drop down arrow, click edit, and then all you're doing here, right, the file is all correct. Where this little orange star is, you're looking at the second orange star that says name. And all you're doing here is changing the title. If I could spell, gosh darn it, introduction to course, and then you click submit. Okay, so now it says introduction to course. If you want to add a description of some sort, I don't know, you can oh, you can't, I guess you can't do it here anyway, so it doesn't matter. Alright, so you're just changing the title of these lectures. That one I'll do the introduction one. So where you guys are going to be doing your work is in unit materials. Go to the unit that you're working on, and these are generally in these folders. You'll find the first one, right? Well, this is chapter 1. Change the name. And the first thing I'd like you to do is type view lecture. Okay? And then whatever the lecture is in terms of, chapter 1 dash whatever the site might be. But that's not true in chapters 1, 2, and 3. Click submit, and now it says view lecture instead of chapter 1.html. Students won't have any clue. They'll get a little confused with that whole HTML thing. So I just want these titles to say view lecture. So there's a lot of these. Sun Min's lucky here in that I'm doing them for her. Chapter 2. See, it says chap2.html. Edit. Change the title. View lecture. Chapter 2. Submit. Okay. And then same with 3. Go into the folder where you see the HTML. Edit. Change the whole title. View lecture. Oops. Chapter 3. Okay. So Sun Min got a break there, and that those 3 are done. And then, when you get done with a unit, all the lectures in that unit, you have to go to the next unit, unit materials. And then this, just to show you real quick, is a little bit different. Now you got to go into these chapter folders first, and you will see the intro one, and then you'll see these, the different sites. So this is the one that was working for Janine and is what helped me discover what the problem was. I think I've already fixed one of these, but anyway, oh no, I guess I didn't. So anytime you see HTML, you know that I have not changed that that it shouldn't be working yet. So view lecture chapter 4-1. All right. And if you want to go ahead and check them, just click on the title. You know, it should play anyway because you're the instructor, but you can see that it's working or not. Oh, I sound very sleepy in that particular lecture. All right, and I am very sleepy right now. So I am going to stop recording. Bye.